In order to open the SIM tray on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to use the SIM eject tool that we can find inside the box as well. So once you have it, you can take a look at the bottom of the device, and here we have the SIM tray with this hole here on the left side. So we need to simply insert the pin into the SIM tray, into the hole, and then just push it down with a little bit of force until the SIM tray comes out a little bit. Once it comes out, you can use your fingers or fingernails in order to remove the SIM tray. There we go. And now over here, let's take a look. So this is how the SIM tray looks like. We can see that we have the SIM 1 slot, and then at the back we also have SIM 2. So now we can insert our SIM card. I'm gonna actually show you how to insert both of them. And of course we need to match the shape of the SIM slot. So over here on this side we can see we have this cut side. So we need to match it so it looks like this. And then just push it with your finger. You should feel a little click if you properly inserted the SIM card, and it should be pretty stable. You should be able to even put it upside down and try to drop it. It shouldn't drop. So that's when you know you have inserted the SIM card properly. And then of course we can do the same on the second slot. There we go. And it's done. Okay, so now over here I believe the SIM 1 is the front. So let's insert the SIM tray back into the phone. Of course we need to match the hole and just push it in with your finger. There we go. It should not stick out, so make sure that it is fully in. If it doesn't want to go in, just make sure that the SIM card is properly inserted. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!